cruising now with the sail. Whoa! Got that all over my camera. I just wanted to share a quick adventure in the Whitsundays. Here it is, another day, another adventure.
Bye! Have a great day!
We're sailing away. Woo! You never know what kind of adventure you're gonna have up here in the Whitsundays, so I'm not here to make a promotional video for this boat. And I'm not gonna lie, this isn't the worst job in the world. Alright, so we're parked here, have some dinner, relax a little bit, because tomorrow's gonna be full on, like a full on day. Alright, I'm being the tour guide today, taking this group up hill inlet. Look out. Today the weather didn't start out so great, but the clouds are finally clearing. Alright, time to leave. We're gonna head back over. So the owners of the Prima also own the Adventure, and they want us to get some drone footage of that, so I think we're gonna take the drone out. Although it's a little bit scary, isn't it? Yes. It's a little bit rough. Dropping us off at Black Island for the sunset. So the sun's setting, I also took out my ukulele and we put on a show. It was a great way to end the day. This day couldn't have turned out better. It's the last day on the Prima. Basically this morning you just kind of get up and then you sail. So we're sailing back and wow, the Whitsundays are not disappointing today. Perfect chance to get some more shots of this beautiful sailboat. But the trip is almost done, and I know it was a quick one, but I just really want to share my time out here with you guys. And just like that, we're back here in the port of Airlie. We're tired, exhausted, but we have 12 hours to drive back to Brisbane. So see you next time. More crazy adventures coming here. Yeah.
Every 2 hours, somebody playing the ukulele.
In case you had no idea what he just said from his accent, he was saying if I put this on the video, people are going to be requesting ukulele on all their tours. So hit the subscribe button and click that little bell right next to it. And check out this video, it needs a lot more attention.